Hello, today we are talking about Unit 11, Landscapes and People. Landscapes and People. Man-made landscapes. There are three types: farming, construction, and transport. A farming landscape means that humans change the landscape to benefit their own need for growing crops. There are three main ways to change a landscape: substitute the natural vegetation, modify the land, or move a river's course. The second is construction. Examples are houses, hospitals, or factories. They can be concentrated or isolated. Concentrated means that they are all together, like in a city or a town, and isolated means that they're alone, maybe like a farm or a lodge in the mountains. The final type of landscape is transport. These are roads, railways, or bridges. Basically, anything that helps us get from one place to another. Does it change the natural landscape much? Yes, it does. Transport changes our natural landscape because we are building tunnels through mountains or bridges from one part of land to another. Rural and urban landscapes. On page 116, rural landscape. Some examples of a rural landscape are villages, towns, crop fields, farms, or fishing ports. What do these places have in common? Most can be found in the countryside. This is the countryside. Urban landscapes. Urban landscapes, some examples of these are cities, industrial parks, airports or seaports, and transport networks. Where do we find urban landscapes? We find urban landscapes in big cities like Madrid, Barcelona, or Chicago. This is an urban landscape. Nature reserves. Peaks of Europe National Park is a nature reserve. It is located in the Cantabrian Mountains mountain chain. Their relief are high mountains and low valleys. Their fauna are eagles, wolves, other types of birds and mammals. And their vegetation, some examples are oak trees, beech trees, or prairies. Prairies are like a valley. They're lower in the ground and they're a flat plain. Timanfaya National Park is located in Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. Their relief are caves and cliffs. Other parts of their landscape also include volcanoes. Their fauna are birds, reptiles, salamanders. Not a lot of fauna can exist in Lanzarote or in Timanfaya because they do not have any vegetation. Doñana National Park is located in the south of Andalusia. Their relief are sand dunes, rivers, or marshes. Their vegetation are pine trees, beech trees, oak trees, etc. Their fauna are all types of birds, they have deer, and they also have the Iberian lynx, which is in danger of extinction. So it is an endangered animal. Here you see the Iberian lynx, endangered animal. Our vocabulary: irrigation channels, rows where water flows to water crops. Factories, a place where people make things. Railways, the system trains use to travel. Raise, to live or grow. To raise an animal or a plant means that you have it from when it's a baby and you raise it until it is an adult, until it's full grown.